Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So for today's video again we're gonna be unpacking again some Pokemon cards. So two mini booster box and two booster pack. So this is the continuation, okay, and this is not gonna end until I'm gonna find the Charizard. Okay, so here it goes, and this gonna start. And so here it goes, guys. So here it goes. I got some two mini booster box and two booster packs. So I'm gonna open it first, the mini booster packs. Okay, I'm gonna open it up, the mini booster packs. Okay, so this is there's the this is not gonna end until I find a Charizard. Okay, until I find a Charizard. Okay, there it goes. Okay, another redundant and relevant. Okay, so nothing new again. So okay, and this now into the end of this one. So let's gonna check it out. Let's gonna check this out. Okay. 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 Oops, it's a water type. Okay, it is a water type. Oh, it's a Suicune. Okay, I already have a Suicune. Okay, I already have. So I'm gonna make a quick recap from these Pokemon cards after I finish this one. Okay, so after I finish all. Okay, after I finish all. Okay, and nothing new. Okay, it's a Verizion. Okay, it's a Gravel. Okay. Okay, and another Mew VMAX. Where do I put that VMAX over? Okay. Okay, and then go another Mew. Okay, and then we are now into a okay, it's a fire type. It's a fire type. Okay, it's a Volcarona. Oh, I already have a Volcarona. So my Volcarona. Okay, and let's go to the booster packs. Booster pack. Okay. Okay. In these booster packs over here, another. Okay, a Jumpa, an Arceus, a Dragon, a Mewtwo. Okay, legendary. That's another legendary Pokemon. Simisear. No, Monferno. No Infernape, so I want an Infernape. Okay, I want an Infernape. Okay. Whimsicott V Astro. So where do I put this one? Okay. Where do I put this one? Okay, right there. And another Raichu. Okay. And a Luminion. So what is this one? Okay, what is this one? Okay, it's a grass type. Okay, a grass type. As another Celebi VMAX. I think I already have a Celebi VMAX. Okay, I'm gonna check that out. Okay, I'm gonna check that out. Okay, I'm gonna check that out. I think I have that already. I think I have already a Celebi VMAX and a Celebi V. Okay. Yeah, ano siya? B barrel. So I think I have a bit of. So I think I'm gonna have to find that. I'm gonna have to find that bit of and then B barrel. So a flygon, a chimchar. No. Okay. Cynthia trainer. Okay. Arceus. Zarud. Zarud is on fire. Okay. Okay. And then this one. Another Drampa. Another Arceus. Another Dadrigon. Morpeko. Okay. And a Golurk. Evolved from Golett. Okay. What is this? It's a psychic type. Okay. It's a psychic type. Okay. It's a Shadow Rider Color XB. But no VMAX. I I was so finding it hard that VMAX card. Okay, so let's gonna go take a recap. So this is just gonna be a short vlog for today, guys. So Golurk, a Dadrigon, a Chimchar, a Bivarel. So I'm gonna find a bit of that one. Howlucha again, Monferno, Dadrigon, Graplax, Barskewda, Toxtricity, Togedemaru, Grimmsnarl, Centiscorch, Drippy, Dabul, Graven, Arokuda, Toxel, Cufant, Morgrem, Sizzlipede, Indeedee, Beware, Trevenant, Dreadnought, Indeedee again, Cufant, Morgrem, Sizzlipede, Beware, Trevenant, Dreadnought, Rotom, Luxspray, Impeding, Sizzlipede, Palosan, Phantom, Cobra Square, Tutul, Luxray, Oricorio, and a Sunday Cast. So, got some. Okay. There's no. Okay. There's no new holographic cards. Okay. Into the V cards, basic V cards. Okay. Morpeko, Arceus, okay, Arceus, Jumpa, Zarud, Arceus, Flygon, Luminion, Raichu, Simisear, Jumpa, Arceus, so much Arceus, okay, Chandelure, Lucario, Appleton, Simisear, Charina, Mew, Bolton, Genesect, Legendary Genesect, Brigum, Mew, Voltan, Genesect, Brigum, Celebi, Mew, Tyranitar, Greedent, Voltan, Dodrio, and Cinderace. Okay, so got some legendary again. Okay, collection of legendary V cards. Okay, basic V cards. Okay, Celebi are Mew, Genesect, Mew again. Okay, okay. Arceus, so there's too much Arceus here. Okay, too much Arceus. Look at that. So too much Arceus. It's a full art one. This is a full art. Okay, this is a full art. Okay, nice one. Illustrator of Kawayo. Okay. Kawayo illustrator. Okay, and then got some YouTube legendary Pokemon from a DNA of Mew. Okay, and I've got some another from a trainer. Okay, and then Mew VMAX, the holographic, Suicune, Volcarona, Celebi V Max and Ice Rider show Shadow Rider Calyrex V and a Whimsicott. Okay, there it goes. A Whimsicott V Astro and also a V Barrel. Okay, so gonna find that. I'm gonna find a bit of. Okay, I'm gonna find that bit of. Okay. It seems like that I don't have a bid of this one. I don't have the bid of, but still I have to find a bid of for this one because it is so important that you have the evolution stage. Okay, that it has the evolution stage. So this is the B barrel. So this is the full evolution of bid of. Okay, okay. That's it. Okay. Okay, that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe okay for more unpacking of Pokemon cards and also another retro tech uh, toys and everything. So and also cycling gadgets, techs and gadgets here in my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy.